Hi everybody, my name is Ujjwal Farajuli, and in this video I am going to demonstrate the inter-VLAN routing, Ether channel verification, the rerouting between the Sydney and Melbourne routers, the DSCP configuration, and we will finally implement the ACL to see if the ACL is blocking the traffic or no. First of all, we will check the inter-VLAN routing, and for that we will have to ping from this one. PC3 is in IT VLAN and PC4 is in HR VLAN. Now we will have to ping to the HR VLAN. So we go to the command prompt. And we will, and if the inter-VLAN routing is working, then the ping should be successful. And we will wait until this turns green, so all the connections are correct. Okay. So as you can see, the ping is successful. And now let's check the IP route from the Melbourne router. So IP route, and as you can see, there is a route to both the 10 as you can see, there is a route to both the .10 and .20 network. So this proves the inter-VLAN routing is working. Now for the Ether channel verification, we will go to the switch 3 and so if we enter the command so Ether channel summary, the port 1, we get this, so which means the layer 2 is in use, and there is Ether channel established with switch 4. So and we can confirm it by going to the switch 4. As you can see, the Ether channel is clearly working. The multiple cables here allows for the greater bandwidth and efficiency in the network. And now we'll check the routing protocol used in the Melbourne and Sydney routers. As you can see, we are using the RIP routing protocol in the Sydney router, and the same goes for Melbourne. We are using the RIP routing protocol. Now we will check if the routers have learned about other network or not. So for that, now from the Sydney router, if we type this command, and as you can clearly see, it has learned the way to the Melbourne router, and we can check this in the Melbourne router as well. As you can see, it has learned the way to the Sydney router. This proves that the RIP routing protocol is working. Now as you can see, the PC2 is getting IP address with the DHCP protocol. So now we will check if we add more devices in this switch, will they get IP address dynamically or not. So for this we will add 2 more PCs. Let's name this PC 6, and we will connect both of these PCs to the switch using the copper straight through cable. And we have to make sure we are assigning a DHCP protocol. Same goes for PC5 DHCP protocol. Now we will wait until it turns green and the connection is done. Then if the DHCP is working properly, they should get an IP address dynamically. So let's go to the PC6, and we can see default gateway, and we can see the IP address is allocated dynamically in the 10.31.20 network. Same goes for PC5. It has default gateway and the IP address assigned dynamically. This proves that the DHCP is working properly. Now we will delete these two devices. Now now we will implement the ACL in the senior router to allow the traffic only from the PC3 IT VLAN and block the traffic from the PC4 HR VLAN. Before implementing it, we will try to ping the senior server from both PC3 and PC4. I'm sorry for exiting the packet tracer. It is not working, so I had to reopen it. I'm sorry for that. Now we have to wait until it turns green. And for the ACL implementation, we will first try to ping from the both IT VLAN and HR VLAN, PC3 and 4 respectively, to the senior server, and we will implement the ACL which allows the traffic only from the IT VLAN and will block from the HR VLAN. So the connection is not done yet, so the ping will not work in this case. The connection is not properly established, so this is taking some time. As soon as it turns green, we will start the ping process. As you can see, we are getting a reply from the Sydney server. There is a 25% loss, but that was because that happens sometimes in the first try. But this should be 100% successful. As you can see, there is a 0% loss and 100% success rate. Now we will implement the ACL in the CNI router. In the gigabit Ethernet, and I have ACL named allow IT block HR. Now that the ACL has been implemented, we will try to ping from the IT VLAN. This should be successful because we are allowing the IT. As you can see, we got the reply from the CNI server with 0% loss, and this should be, the ping should not be successful from the HR VLAN PC4. So after implementing the ACL, we only allow the IT VLAN, and the HR VLAN cannot have access to the CNI server. As you can see, there is 100% loss here, and that verifies the ACL implementation. That's it for this video. Thank you.